bad smells, weak airflow and misted up windows. The pollen, or cabin filter as it can also be known as, could be the cause. Today we're changing the pollen filter on a Hyundai i30 on a 2025 plate, and it's one of those simple jobs that can make a huge difference. So let's get over to the car and get into it. This 2025 Hyundai i30 may look spotless on the outside, but let's get the pollen filter out and see what it's hiding. One job that's often overlooked in servicing is the pollen filter. You can see the dirt in the middle where it's been pulled through by the fan. The last thing you want is to be breathing in dirty air. So for this job we have a man filter, because if you're doing the job you may as well do it properly and use premium parts. So the first thing you need to do is open the glove box. You then obviously need to remove anything that your customer has in the glove box. And then the next thing is to release slow release arm on the left hand side of the glove box. If you can see, we've got in there with quite a wide and large trim tool, and if you're just careful you can pop that off. Not really sure if it's called a slow release arm, but that's what I've called it. And then on the side of the glove box there is these caps. They just twist in and twist out. They've got like a locking mechanism on the back. There's one of these on each side. I'll just try and show you this one as we remove it. So once you remove that, that allows the glove box to drop down, and you can see behind there the glove box panel that we need to remove to change the filter. So this is the part that actually makes the difference, changing the filter. So you need to release the clips on either side. Make note of the airflow. So the airflow is pointing downwards on the old filter. So you need to make sure that you put your new filter in the same way. So on ours, the airflow is pointing downwards, but the print's on the side. So in goes the filter. And then you need to replace the cover, which clips in either side. And that's it, cover back on, job done. It's a simple one, but definitely worth doing. And then to finish off, we need to put the slow release arm back on. I keep calling it that, but I have no idea if that's what it's really called. And then you have to just lift the glove box up a little bit and turn that until it falls into the hole, and then twist and it locks in. And then when you come to do the other side, same again, try and show you actually putting it in. So you just turn it until it sits in, and then you hear it click into place, and then everything's done. Obviously you need to put whatever's in the glove box back in neatly, and that's your job done. You can see on the old filter we've taken out, there's a few leaves and little bits of things, seeds and that in the filter. It's not the worst we've ever seen, but it's certainly not the cleanest. So a new filter will definitely give the air in this cabin a new lease of life.